Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. What I am going to share with you, the topic leadership, sorry, lead, leadership and management issues for excellence implementation. The some learning I would like to share with you, which I have observed and experienced with the passage of time over 25, 30 years in different organizations from manufacturing to service, banking, aviation, construction where I work, and all investment houses and as an academia. What I learned as a practitioner, consultant, trainer, and then teacher in different organizations, that's what I want to share with you. The excellence implementation is a buzzword. Organizational excellence, business excellence, all these are the buzzwords these days. How many of you know anything about business excellence models? We have Dubai Quality Award, anybody knows? Sharjah Economic Excellence Award, we knows? You might surprise, we have over 100 excellence models across the globe in different countries. There was always one question for me as a student when I started my career in different organizations, as a leadership and management, how they can achieve the organizational excellence, what they needed, what they need to do that. And what I started learning, like many other people, starting learning from the books, studying the papers, researches here and there, attending the conferences, presenting the papers in the conferences, and most of the people were saying one thing, that leadership and management commitment. This was the consensus. Some people, some researchers gone somewhat forward and say that leadership and management commitment and their visible participation in the excellence activities or taking the organization to the next level. These are the buzzwords. So what learning, the first learning I got it, which was this. One management guru, John Ruskin, said, quality and excellence are never an accident. These are result of intelligent efforts. So whatever we say, the first thing the leaders need to understand, the senior management needs to understand, the excellence never happen by chance or out of the blues. It's required a certain efforts. Okay? So this is the first learning. The second one, when we use the word this excellence, what is the meaning of that? Now this is a buzzword. These days, many organizations, many leaders share with everyone. But what is the meaning of that? I just took out one definition for that, just to share with you. Achieving and sustaining superior levels of performance that meet or exceed the expectations of all their stakeholders. Now what this excellence, this definition says, achieving and sustaining superior level of performance in all areas of the organization. It means first message comes also, the leader and senior management has to focus diversified in the whole organization. They have to see the organization from the holistic perspective and keeping view for all the stakeholders. This is some example of one typical organization chart. How many of you have the organization charts in your organization? Many of you have your organization charts, small or big. This says that the hierarchy of this is the organization, X for example, these are departments, and in each department like HR operations, these are the sections. In the organization chart, every organization has, but how the excellence comes, leaders has to think. So how the excellence comes in the organization, where we need to focus as a senior management or leadership, we need to focus these areas first. Why? The reason is that we want to achieve the organizational excellence here. We need to have each of the section or subject section need to work at an excellent level. It means we need to have an excellence at an individual sectional level. When it will work, it will happen, then only we get the excellence at the departmental level. For example, in operations, if we have 3 sections, if 2 are excellent and 1 is not, we'll never get the excellence in operations level. Right or wrong? It's a common sense. So how it will happen? Just imagine when all these sections are working excellent, we get the departmental excellence, and so we get the organizational excellence.